Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate.
Currently, there is no data analytics certification program more celebrated on Coursera, and likely all online. This course is super popular, with almost 2 million people signed up and a 4.8 rating from over 130,000 reviews. That might suggest it's the best data analytics course ever. My name is Mitch, and today we'll discuss how to complete the final step to obtaining the certificate.
Completing it wasn't easy.
Because the Capstone case study was poorly explained and not as clear as it should have been.
My goal now is revealing the secrets you need for completing the Capstone successfully and quickly.
Covering 4 crucial data phases: the merging process, the cleaning process, the analysis process, and the visualization process. Let's start with the first phase, the merging process.
Before we start our merging process, let's delve into the specifics of our datasets, opening the folder where they are in. These files are not just numbers and names. They represent a comprehensive collection of bike sharing rights data, each file corresponding to a month of activity, from January to December 2023. Let's open, for instance, the CSV file of the January month. First of all, as you can see, the values of each field or column are separated by a comma. In fact, this is a CSV file, separated values. The fields recorded include,
As you can see from the header row,
ride ID, rideable type, started at, ended at, start station name, start station ID, end station name, end station ID, start lat, start long, end lat, end long, and member casual.
these header names
Are the same
for each of the 12 CSV files.
If you want, you can download them by clicking the link under the video. Without dwelling too much on the meaning of the content, for which I'll make another video about, for now I can simply tell you that this rich dataset comes from a bike sharing company and is part of the Capstone case study of the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate,
which I have successfully completed.
Each CSV file is packed with data containing tens of hundreds of thousands of rows, varying by the month. Given this volume and the detailed fields recorded, merging these 12 files into a single comprehensive file will significantly enhance our ability to clean, transform, and analyze all the bike sharing data during the 12 months. Just as a reminder, analyzing each dataset monthly and then merging the results to view a single final outcome would be almost impossible or really time-consuming. This is exactly what we'll achieve using Power Query Editor.
The consistency across files with identical headers and comma delimiters
Ensures a smooth and error-free merging process. Keep in mind that whether you are dealing with vast amounts of data or focusing on specific details, the strategy we are about to employ is designed to handle datasets
well beyond 5.5 million rows.
thanks to this standardized structure. Let's begin the process of merging 12 CSV files. Open Excel and create a new worksheet. We'll utilize Power Query Editor,
An advanced feature
available in Excel from Microsoft Office 365, starting with the 2016 version. If you are using this version, as I am, you already have access to this powerful tool. Navigate to the Data tab, select Get Data, choose From File, then From Folder. Select the folder containing your CSV files. Excel lists all files, enabling us to combine them effortlessly. Click Transform Data. Then Combine to initiate the merge. Let's press OK, and voila! Here the 12 CSV files are merged into a single 5.5 million rows file. Let's count exactly how many there are. Exactly 5,719,872 rows. With our data now in Power Query Editor, it's time for some cleanup. It's common to encounter duplicates, missing values, or inconsistent formats across such a large dataset. Thankfully, Power Query is equipped with functions like remove duplicates, replace errors, and change type to help us refine our dataset. Please let me know in the comments below if you would like a video dedicated to data cleansing. After ensuring our dataset is clean and tidy, we are ready to bring it back into Excel. Simply click Close and Load to, and Excel will process our clean, merged dataset. Then click Only Create Connection and add this data to the data model. Then press OK. As we initiate the Close and Load to process, Excel begins to work its magic, integrating our merged dataset of exactly 5,719,872 rows back into the workbook. Now, given the substantial volume of data we are dealing with, this process isn't instantaneous. It will take some time for Excel to digest and load more than 5 million rows. To keep things moving and save you time, I've sped up this part of the video. Rest assured, even though we are zipping through it now, in real time, this loading phase is your opportunity to grab a coffee, scratch your legs, and perhaps ponder the vast insights waiting to be discovered in your newly unified data. And just like that, with a little patience and the power of Power Query, our extensive dataset is ready, opening the door to comprehensive analysis and insight discovery. Before we move forward, there is an essential technical requirement I must highlight. To manage and process our dataset effectively, it's imperative to use the 64-bit version of Excel. The sheer size of our data, spanning over 5 million rows, demands the enhanced memory capacity that the 64-bit version offers. Using the 32-bit version might lead to performance issues or inability to complete the loading process due to the memory constraints. So, ensure you have the 64-bit version installed to leverage the full power of Excel for our data analysis journey. With our dataset now fully loaded in Excel, the next step is to gear up for the analysis process and then dive into visualizing our findings. Here is how we dive into it. Navigate to Insert, then select Pivot Table. Choose from Data Model and hit OK. This action brings up the Pivot Table Fields pane on the right side of your Excel screen, showcasing all the fields from our merged 12 CSV files. These fields are now at your fingertips, ready to be analyzed in depth. And don't worry if this process sounds complex, I've got you covered. In my next video, I'll break down the analysis process, step by step, making it simple to unlock the valuable insights hidden within our vast dataset. Congratulations on expanding your data analysis toolkit. Stay tuned for our next video, where I'll show you how to export a massive CSV file from Excel. This next step will demonstrate how Excel can not only manage but also distribute large-scale data effectively. Don't miss it!